Hi, good evening, everyone. Today, we are going to take the questions from CUET 2020 paper, right? These are all going to be statistics question that we are going to go ahead and we are going to do today. I'll try and finish stats first and then we move on to the next subject. We'll pick up maths, then micro, then macro. एक subject का पहले सारा past year questions we'll try and finish off. So we have done 18, we have done 19. Now I am beginning with the 2020 paper. ठीक है? Let us go ahead and let us start taking the first question. Beta, please read the first question. Try to do this question. Answer it in the chat window. In a frequency distribution, last cumulative frequency is 500. Then the third quartile must lie in last cumulative frequency माने अगर हम यहाँ पे एक x का वैल्यू ले लें और यहाँ पे इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी ले लें तो जब हम फ्रीक्वेंसीज को वी कीप एडिंग वी कीप गेटिंग क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसीज यहाँ पे यू कैन हैव x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 एंड सो ऑन और जब आप फ्रीक्वेंसीज को ऐड करते रहते हो यू गेट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी अब इसमें इट इज गोइंग अहेड एंड इट इज सेइंग द लास्ट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 500 माने इधर जो लास्ट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी आया होगा दैट इज 500 so the last cumulative frequency is also equal to the summation of the frequencies माने अगर हम इन frequencies को sum up करेंगे so I will from the sum of frequencies also get the same sum which is 500 दोनों से same ही आंसर आएगा you'll get the same sum from here also. Now it is asking you to go ahead and to find the third quartile. आपको third quartile निकालना है. So let's see what the answer should be. Okay, B. So third quartile means what, beta? Third quartile means that you are going ahead and you are talking about it means you're talking about so quartile means data को आपने 4 parts में divide किया, right? Quarters. You have divided data in 4 parts. And third quartile का मतलब होता है that you're looking at 3/4 of the data set. You're looking at 3/4 of the data set. माने for this 500 third quartile, it will go ahead and it will mean 3/4 into 500. 3/4 into 500. That is what is the meaning of the third quartile. Okay. Suppose it would have asked you find the first quartile. So then it means that first we are doing it in 4 parts and then I want to find the first quartile. So 1/4 into 500. Is this making sense? 1/4 into 500. Similarly, if I want to find out the second quartile. Second quartile को हम median भी बोलते हैं. We also call that as median. So it will be 4 parts and I'm finding the second quartile. So 2/4 into 500. So beta this will be half into 500. Mane this will be 250. This will be 125. This will be 375. So simple. The answer will be 375th item. That is how you can go ahead and find the quartiles. Similarly, suppose it would have asked you find the 40th percentile. Find the 40th percentile. है ना? तो percentile का मतलब हो जाता कि you have to divide by 100. And 40th percentile would have meant कि the numerator will be 40 because it is 40th percentile. So we would have done 40 here into the total frequency which is 500. ये हो जाता 200. So try to understand. Percentile माने you will divide by 100. 40th निकालना है तो 40/100, 70th निकालना है तो 70/100, 80th निकालना है तो 80/100, and so on and so forth. Quartile means you will divide by 4. If it is decile, you will divide by 10. So if I ask you find the 6th decile, तो माने 6/10 into जो भी आपका summation frequency होगा, that means into 500. So just remember these definitions very well. ठीक है? Let us try to go ahead and take the next question. Try to do this question beta. Question number 2. Give this question a try. Okay, okay. So let's see. So it is a binomial distribution. What is the definition of binomial distribution? बेटा binomial distribution का क्या definition रहता है? Binomial distribution का definition होता है NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. ठीक है? This is the probability that X is equal to some X. Right? Now, and you can also write X here क्योंकि ये X का terms में है. So I will just write NCX P to the power X Q to the power N minus X. ठीक है? Now in this question आपको दिया हुआ है, you're given that P and Q are equal to each other. तो ये first thing given है that P is equal to Q. But we know that there जब भी हम बाइनोमियल की बात करते हैं there are only two possibilities, दो ही इवेंट हो सकते हैं, या सक्सेस या फेलियर. So success is probability P, failure is probability Q, and we know that success plus failure it is 1. The probability of the two events together it is 1. है ना? Sum of the two events P plus Q is 1. तो अगर P और Q equal हैं, so we will just have P plus P equal to 1. That means I will get 2P equal to 1. माने P हो जाएगा 0.5. We will get P as 0.5. So Q will also be 0.5. दोनों ही 0.5 हो गए P and Q. So we can just put it here. अगर हम इस फॉर्मूला में इसको डाल दें, if I just plug this here, I will get NCX 0.5 to the power X 0.5 to the power N minus X. अब base is same, दोनों का base is 0.5 है. So when base is same, powers can be added. So I will get NCX 0.5 to the power X plus N minus X. So NCX 0.5 to the power N. 0.5 to the power N. So yes, all those people who are saying that answer is C, that is the correct answer. C is the correct answer to this question. Any doubt anyone has? कुछ भी जो समझ नहीं आ रहा इसमें? Okay, go on to the next question. Try this one. Try to do this question. Okay. A, B, A, D. Why so much confusion? We have done this kind of question in the last class also. हमने ये question बहुत बारी कर लिया है. So what happens here बेटा? दो तरीके का skewness हो सकता है. This और this. ठीक है? Here बेटा देखो highest observation सबसे पहले आ गया. So this is mode. Right? Here highest observation is coming towards the end. So this is mode. Right? इसी से actually you should be able to detect your You should be able to detect your distribution. So you should be very, very clear with what we are doing. तो जब हम बात करते हैं, I'll just give you the relationship. Whenever we talk about positive skewness, mean is greater than median is greater than mode. That is this. Mode comes first, right? Median comes here, and then mean comes here, right? And whenever we talk about the negative skewed data, जब हम negative skewness का बात करते हैं, then we say mean is less than, median is less than mode. तो mode सबसे end में आता है. The highest, the observation with the highest frequency, it comes towards the end. And then 50% of the data इधर आ जाता है बीच में, median. And here I have mean. Now look into this data set. So for this data set, आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? You're given that mean is 23. You're given that median is 24. And you are given that mode is 25.5. So isn't it clear that mean is less than median, is less than mode? Mean is less than median is less than mode. माने mode वाला observation, the highest observation, I will make it a little more skewed. Mode observation towards the end आ रहा है. The highest observation is coming towards the end, right? So what can we go ahead and what can we say? Mode is the highest, right? And if it is symmetrical, then mean, median, mode are equal to each other. So yes, the answer to this question should be D, right? The answer will be D. Okay, go on to the next question. Try this next one. Sum of dots when two dice are rolled is. Absolutely. That's the correct answer. So sum of dots when two dice are rolled, definitely beta, it is a discrete variable. क्योंकि sum of dots है ना, तो sum of dots क्या हो सकता है? It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. कहाँ तक जा सकता है sum? Till 12? यही तो करते हैं हम. When two dice are rolled, जब हम sum निकालते हैं, it can be 2, 3, 4 and so on till 12. It means that it is discrete in nature. It is a discrete variable. So definitely the correct answer is discrete variable. Continuous नहीं हो सकता है. There is no interval given to you. Continuous नहीं हो सकता है. Constant है नहीं. Qualitative भी नहीं है. So of course the correct answer to this question is discrete variable. That is the correct answer. Yes. अच्छा, tell me something. If instead of dice